Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial. So today's video is going to be dedicated on this makeup look right here for Valentine's Day. So as you can see, it's not your typical eye makeup look with a hot red lipstick. I just wanted to create something more different with some feminine, sophisticated and romantic vibe to it. I really like how it turned out. I am obsessed with this combination of gold eyeshadow and dusty rose color. I really like it. So if you guys want to know how to create this look right here, then please keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. This will really help me, and let's do some makeup. Okay, so I will firstly prime my eyelids, and if by any chance you have no idea what I use to do that, then I think it's time you leave the room, because I'm really ashamed of you, like totally. No, I'm just kidding, but still. Okay, so I will use this cream stick from Laura Mercier. This is in Vanilla Kiss. It is a beige color and it's just perfect to prime your lids. So I'm gonna apply a bit of that like this, and I will use this concealer brush from Real Techniques to blend it. Okay, so now the palette that I chose to do this makeup look, it's this beautiful palette from Revolution Pro. This is the Ultimate Crystal palette. It has some gorgeous colors. Such a beautiful palette. It has matte and shimmery colors. I am obsessed with this one. I've used it once and I was like, holy shit, you know, it's such a beautiful palette. Okay, so the first color that I want to use, it's Grace, and I will take the fluffy brush, take some of this color, and I will go all over the eyelid and diffuse it upwards to my brow bone. I will go now with Promise, and that one I will apply it on the outer corner of my eye and into my crease. Now with a clean fluffy brush, I will go back to Grace and just blend here the edges and make it softer. Now I was thinking to combine Aura, such beautiful gold color. I am obsessed with this one, to be honest, and I was going to use as well Class, like these two colors together. I want to make it, you know, like really stand out. So I guess I will go with Aura on the outer corner of my eye and Class on the inner part. So firstly, I will take a flat eyeshadow brush And I will go with a bit of Fix Plus, just spray a little bit, and then I will grab a color and then I will pat it here on the outer corner of my eye. Ooh, now that's a beautiful color. And now I will go with a glass next to it, and I will use my finger to apply it. Ooh, 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 just look at that. Okay, I am so impressed on how pigmented this palette is. I didn't quite expect that, to be honest. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm gonna go back with the original shade. Just go here into the crease to erase some of this glitter, and I'm going like back and forth. Okay, so now I'll just go and clean the rest of the face from the eyeshadow that fell all over. I'll do my complexion and I'll be right back to complete this eye makeup look and show you the lipstick that I want to use to complete this beautiful makeup look. Okay, so I'll finish now the eyes, and I will go back to this palette. Now I will take a shading brush. This is by Real Techniques. I'll go back to Grace and Promise, and I will combine both of them, and I will go here on the lower lashes. And I will go and add some mascara on the upper and lower lashes, but obviously feel free to use any false lashes, curl your eyelashes if you want, just do however you like, but I'm not a fan of false lashes because I get like a bad allergy from the glue, so I really avoid using them. So I like to stick to a normal mascara, and this is the Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury, and I will add a few coats on the upper lashes and I'll move then to the lower ones. Now for the lips I will use two products. This lip pencil by Steve Laurent, I think it's pronounced. This is in Vogue. And then this lip crayon from Maybelline. This is the number 25, Stay Exceptional. So this is final result. I personally like very much how it came out. I like this soft gold eye makeup look in combination with this dark lip color. I think it's a very feminine and romantic. Leave me a comment below if you guys feel the same. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!